Lefthand of Talking Lead, and I have got, you've seen our videos where we built this 300 Blackout. We call it Bo Frankenstein, and I put a new muzzle brake on it, and it's from Nordic Components. It's the Nordic Components Corvette brake. You can see there, and I'm going to be trying it out on Bo Frankenstein today. So here we go. We're at 50 yards, and I'm using Freedom Munitions 300 Blackout. Here we go. 300 AAC 150 grain Hornady FMJ, and we're at the Sherpa pit. So where's that?
Dirt pit.
Some kind of dirt pit. That's cool as shit. All right, let's go see what we did. All right, guys, so there we go. 300 Blackout with the Nordic Components Corvette muzzle brake at 50 yards. And I was putting holes in holes there. That was my first 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then 5 and 6 there. I did shoot 6 times, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty good. So we're going to move this thing back to 100 and see how it performs from there. All right, guys, so the 300 Blackout, 300 Bo Frankenstein with the Freedom Munitions 300 AAC 55 grain Hornady. You can see what I did here at 100 yards. So I need to adjust it a couple of clicks to the left, as you can see there, but all in all, you can see the groupings are phenomenal for that 300 Blackout from Freedom Munitions out of my home-built 300 Blackout. Sweet. And that was from way over there.